So these are now the best floor mats? Is that what I'm saying? I mean, we're gonna find out. I just got home from work, guys, and I found this nice little package here inside my doorstep. Now, I wasn't expecting any I don't even know how to open the door. I wasn't expecting any packages, but as you guys might remember, I tested out these 3D mats, floor mats, and my biggest complaint was absolutely this. They don't click in. I was like, what kind of game are we playing here? How does it not click in? And then the other complaint that I've seen a lot of people have is about coverage, but my only other complaint was on the passenger side. So let's swing around and check that out. So my other complaint was on the passenger side here with the fitment, which it looks like it's still, you know, a little bit off, which could just, you know, maybe it needs to sit out in the heat, get some sun or something. But my issue was that just kind of, you see how it sits over here and it kind of doesn't line up. That's my only other complaint. I know that they're gonna watch this video because they watched the previous one, obviously, because they reached out. And they also sent me these things. I wasn't really expecting to receive anything, but I think they might have fixed the issue. Now, I do wish that these come automatically on the things, which is something that I will say. And we're gonna see if they install correctly. So I looked at them a little bit, you know, I said, what the heck is this? What is this? I had no idea what this is gonna be, but look, guys, so it's a grommet. It's flat at the top, you guys can see, other than these nice bumped up ones. And then look at the bottom, guys. Can you guys see that? Can you see that luxurious little clip? Now, did they actually clip in? That's gonna be the biggest thing. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't put one hand, ow. Oh my God, the little spiky pubes on the back, man. But yeah, they just, oh my God, they kind of click in. They click in, guys. It's a little bit universal, I feel like, maybe, but they click in. Look at that, just a little bit. That's a lot better, that's a lot better, that's a lot better. All right, so to install these, it does have some little instructions, but I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do. So if you do have these mats and you want some of these, I'm sure you guys can reach out, or maybe they have them on the website. I'm not even 100% sure how you get these. Maybe they're a prototype that they made for BJP Lifestyle, which if so, then they should definitely change it up and name these the BJP clips or something like that. But we're gonna go ahead and see if we can install them on this side and the other side, and hopefully they click in and they lock in nicely. They do look a little bit better because they're nice and flush and flat. And yeah, I'm a little bit excited. Can you guys tell? Because that was my biggest complaint. And that's what I call customer service, guys. If you guys do not go get these mats now, I don't know what to tell you. Use code BJP. I think you get like $10 off, something like that. Just make sure you use the code so that they can be notified that you guys came from this video and that you're supporting and loving for the good customer service of actually creating these, possibly. Maybe they probably already have. When would they ever create anything for me? But yeah, getting this out to me and just, you know, fixing the issue and my biggest complaint that I had been saying, and that's huge. That's awesome, and I do appreciate that. So we're gonna go ahead and see if they work. Let's go ahead and just go a little bit. These are so dirty. Yeah. I think my first step is gonna be just out. You know, just oh great. They're just taking them out here. Now tell me I need to clean them without telling me I need to clean them. And also tell me I need to vacuum. Don't worry, guys, we're gonna be having a full detailing video coming here extremely shortly, just based on the fact that the weather, you know, look at this. The sleeves up, boys. You know what that means. The sun's out, it's late, you know, got home from work and the sun's nice and out. The weather's good, it's gonna be like 70. Oh! These nice little clips that we're working with here, the new ones, the little grommets, are actually just screw-on ones. So they screw together to kind of clamp in there, which is a pretty good design, I'd say. I mean, they could clip, but they don't really need to. I think this is a pretty good design. So to take these other ones out, I think they're the same thing. I think you just have to pry them out a little bit first, it says. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with just a flat head, and hopefully, I guess I should go on the bottom. I don't wanna damage them. Who am I kidding? Yo, the little spiky pubes on the bottom are sharp, man. So you can see there, it comes off. It's just a little pry. So that's good that they're interchangeable. So it's a matter of, do they sell these on the website for you guys to go ahead and purchase? I hope so, because these are so far, you know, it's a good idea. It's a good idea. So we're gonna do one first so you'll be able to see the difference. There's kind of the difference between it. It's more flush. You can see the other side over here, where it's a lot more jacked up on this side over here. So see, it sticks up a lot more, a nice little bubble versus just a nice flat one. Obviously not even screwed in. Once we screw this back on, it should secure it a little bit better. And I think all we do is just screw the back piece on as best as we can, and as tight as we can get it so that it doesn't move. And then this should allow them to actually clip in. Now, I wonder if it's just a matter of they didn't know if this size would fit on the Jeep or what it was. But I'm definitely glad that they that they tried their best to resolve the issue here and sent these out to me. You know, initially I was a little bit disappointed with the fact that they didn't clip in, especially because they are a fairly expensive mat. You guys can see from the back there, nice and clipped in all together, good. I'm gonna do the other one, and then I will get back with you and show you what they look like if they actually clip in, and if it's a better thumbs up from me, which it probably is. All right, that's both nice and quick. That was super simple. Now let's put it right back into the dirty car, because obviously they need to be detailed still, but it's fine. And then let's line them up. Do we get a click? Oh, did you hear that? Oh my God. That almost just sent me over the edge, boys. Look at that. They're nice and clicked in now. Look at, I mean, they're a little bit loose. Like, it's not super like locked in. Like, it's not like the Jeep Mopar ones, obviously, because those are going to be difficult to match as far as clicking in. But they click in, they lock in, they make a clicky noise. They absolutely look a lot better, actually, with the more flush look here. But boys, I love it. Now, you guys were complaining and saying that you don't like them based off of the fitment, that they don't have enough coverage, which I'm sure they will take into consideration and maybe make a second version that maybe covers more for you guys that like that. I personally think that they cover more than enough, and you know, just the fact that they were able to fix that and just the customer service of fixing that, that's what we absolutely love to see from a company. And keep doing that with your brand, because I will continue to support if you guys continue to do stuff like that and just continue to, you know, innovate and do the things and take suggestions as far as stuff like that. Now I gotta do the passenger side and then we're good, but overall so far, nice. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bow, bada bow. So just like that, guys, I'm telling you, this was a super simple swap, which I absolutely love. I love when there's a simple fix for things that actually works as a simple fix. Now, like I said, the only other issue I did have was the lining up over here, which isn't like super bad, and if it was the driver's side, I'd be a little bit more upset, I think. And maybe just my Jeep was built weird, I don't know, I cannot confirm nor deny. But yeah, look at that click, boys, look. So that's what we like to see, guys, is the nice click in. But like I said, it does overlap here a little bit. It doesn't really like squeeze in exactly where it needs to go. Again, minor flaw, passenger side, does fit in nicely, you know, covers. Now it clicks in, so it does exactly what I need. And I'm very happy and satisfied with the product. So you guys definitely just went from like 6 out of 10 in my previous video. I say 9 out of 10. I think the only issue was that fitment. And then obviously the people that wanted it to be a little bit more coverage, but for me, I don't care. I'm extremely happy with how they turn out with the little clicks there. I like how they look. Obviously they're dirty, so when we do that detail video here coming up, you guys will see a true test to see if they actually work, because this is what I would call going above and beyond as far as an influencer marketing kind of deal connection and customer service in general. So huge shout out to those guys for that. If you guys are interested in getting them, top link in the description, use code BJP, $10 off. And yeah, it'll let them know and let me know that you guys did get them. So if you're as happy about this, let me know down in the comment section down below. Of course, smash that like button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I need it all, so I got it. Cartier watching my wrist like a fan. Gotta keep watching, I know that you wish you had it. Silent you watching, get come close to bastards. I'm balling and dunking on you. I ain't had shit to lose, yeah. That's why I went all in. New 40s up on the whip. Suicide doors on the lamb, little bitch. Banging my line for the 5th, 6th time in a talk.